Hi guys, in this video we will see how to fix OneNote error code 0x0803D0010 on your Windows 11 and 10 system. You are also facing OneNote error code, then here are the fixes. Go to Windows search and type store troubleshoot. Find and fix problems with Windows Store app. Click on open. Troubleshoot and help prevent computer problems. Windows Store apps. Click on advanced and make the check against option apply repairs automatically and click on next and follow on screen instruction to complete the troubleshooting process. It will not only detect the issue, repair them accordingly. Follow on screen instruction to complete the process and check whether your OneNote error code resolved or not. If not, go to the next fixes. Open your OneNote app in your system. Go to Windows search, type OneNote and open OneNote. Update your OneNote app. Here, go to File from the top left corner, click on it and click on More and choose Account. Here, from the right side, you will find the option Updates option. Click on a small arrow and choose Update Now. Update your Microsoft Office OneNote app. Checking for updates. Follow on screen instruction to complete the downloading and updating process. Wait for some times. And after that, check whether your OneNote error code resolved or not. If not, go to the next fixes. Right click on a start button and choose settings. Here from the left side, go to Windows Update, click on Windows Update, and from the right side, click on check for updates. And if any operating system OS update available, simply download and install it in your system. Thereafter, scroll down and click on Advanced Options. Here, scroll down and click on Optional Updates. And if any optional updates available, simply download and install it in your system. Update available Microsoft 365. Previously we have processed. Choose yes and follow on screen instruction to complete the process and check whether your OneNote error code resolved or not. If not, go to the next fixes. Again, open settings by pressing Win+I shortcut key. And here from the left side, go to apps, click on apps. From the right side, click on installed apps. And here in search field, type OneNote. Microsoft OneNote will appear. Click on 3 horizontal dot against Microsoft OneNote and choose Modify. Click on Modify. A pop-up window will appear. Choose yes. And how do you like to repair your Microsoft 365 and Office programs? Choose Quick Repair and click on Repair. And once follow on screen instruction to complete the repairing process. And once your problem is exist, then choose uninstall and go to your Microsoft Store apps and install a fresh version of OneNote, Microsoft Office OneNote in your system. But before, you will have to check once. Right click on OneNote app from your desktop shortcuts and choose Run as Administrator. Before installing, you must check this process also, Run as Administrator mode.